one for you, another great victory. A little bit difficult start, but then you managed to gain again the first position and win with loads of the distance.
Yeah. The start was really bad. I was in the first corner like 6 or 7, I don't know. And then I overtook guys and I managed to do good lap times and finish P1, so I'm happy. Thanks to my team, my sponsors, my family, and guys here that we can race, all of you, and thank you.
Thanks to you, enjoy the podium and see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Maxi, second position for you today in this race 1. Now, the sun has come out. How was the race?
Yeah, race maybe P2, but race was not very good. I struggled a lot, but I was able to take P2. I wasn't able to go with Daniel, but I hope we'll fix some things. We'll get into it.
Last lap full of battle for you and for the other riders. How you managed to get the second position?
Yeah, we were driving with Luki. I passed him on the last lap, and then I was waiting for him to strike, but I don't know where he is, so I don't know. I think something went wrong.
Okay, so enjoy the podium.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna be 10 miles ahead.
Very strange last lap full of battles. How was it?
Yeah, the race was great. I have a lot of fun for racing with the other rider. Yeah, and third.
Okay, so congratulations, enjoy the podium and see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
You won't let me down this time. But even if you let me down, I want my crown.